everybody, and welcome to the home we build. And of course, it's dinner time, and we are going to prepare siomai. We are from Cebu, guys, and there's a popular place in Cebu. It's called Tisa, and they have delicious siomai. So today, I'm going to cook siomai for my family. This is my son, Louis. Louis, what is siomai in Thai?
Kanom jeep.
Okay, there you have it, guys. Kanom. What is that again?
Kanom jeep.
Kanom jeep, guys. So it's siomai in Chinese. I think it's kiao. Okay, so again, siomai, kiao, or
Kanom jeep.
there you have it, guys. I'll show you how to do it. Bye bye. Here are the ingredients: minced pork, giniling na baboy, musap, carrot, garlic, bawang, krathiam, bell pepper, sili, พริกหยวก seasoning ปังปันลาซาเครื่องปรุงรส fish sauce น้ำปลา pepper powder พริกไทย eggs ไข่ of course our wonton wrap. And now let's prepare our siomai dip. Guys, and now I'm going to show to you my siomai. Of course, I'm from Cebu. Again, hello to all the people in Tisa, Cebu. Now guys, Tisa is a very long street in Cebu City, and a lot of stalls there sell siomai. Okay, so it's, I think, the siomai capital in Cebu City. So again, it's siomai. In the Philippines, it's called siomai. Now in Thailand, it's called kanom jeep. But in Chinese, I talked to my colleague this afternoon. It's called kiao, something like that. Anyway, my siomai is right here. And then I prepared my dip, guys. There you go. For my dip, I sauteed the garlic, onion, and then I put some shrimp paste. And of course, I have some lime. There you have it, our siomai for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Stay safe, everybody.
Oh my god, this is so good, I swear. Okay, you should try this. Like, make sure to try it because it's so good. And it goes very well with the dip. And like, make sure to share this to your friends so they'll also try this beautiful siomai. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Share. And this is called siomai kanom jeep in Thai. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Watch more of our videos, please. Goodbye.